Welcome to our small apartment in UAE. Welcome. Hello friends, my name is Ashwati Vishal and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you around my studio apartment in United Arab Emirates. I'll show you a few glimpses of how my home looked before. I sold all the furnitures, almost all the furniture, and this is how our home looked now. There are a couple of reasons why we sold all of our furnitures. Reason number one was visual clutter. Our home was filled with lot of junk furnitures which we were not using it on day-to-day basis, and when we were bound to sit at home due to corona, it all of a sudden felt very claustrophobic and I was unable to move around in our own home because we were not allowed to go outside and walk, so there was not enough space, and this visual clutter was something which was disturbing me a lot. So we sold almost everything. Now when I look around my home, I feel so calmful and mindful. Every furniture right now we have in our home has multiple purposes. So without any further ado, let's see how our home looks right now. Come. As you enter, on the wall, I have kept a small jute hanger, you can say, and I have kept all the masks and all the water coupons, because in UAE we have water delivered to us, so we have water coupons and all those immediate knickknacks. And this is my tripod, and this is my yoga mat which I keep it for easy access. And you can see here I have put a small sheet because I am on a journey of weight loss, so I have put up all those data numbers. Here immediately you can see a Mal furniture or a cabinet, you can call it. I got it second hand. It's basically an IKEA Mal, and this is my printer. I have my own planner business, so this is the printer where we put out all the bills and everything. So there is enough cabinets here. So we keep, in this drawer we keep all of our cameras, here all those stationery material, and here there is books. When you come here, you will see a small table. This small table is basically for packaging and making of the planner. So all the cutting and packing elements are here. This is one of the order which I got recently. And this is another second-hand furniture. It's a swivel chair. It's very comfortable. The reason I was insistent on getting a swivel chair was because it gives me flexibility to go as close as much as possible towards the desk to work, and you can shorten the height, and you can sit tall, as much tall as you want. Most of the furniture in our home, you will find it is either second hand or from IKEA, so all are budget friendly. And here we have some cardboard items which we use it for our planner. Next we have put some frames again which we got from IKEA, and all those designs we have created by ourselves. This is a small standing mirror. So I most of the days get ready. Whenever I want to go outside, I have a quick glance at myself and then I go head outside. This is a small rug attached to it. Now the most interesting element of our home, in our previous home, as you can see here, it was a huge bed. It was a king size bed, and as you know, this is one studio apartment. We have dining space, working space, bed space, lounge space, everything in one room. So that king size bed was taking up all the space. So once we sold it, we had one furniture which serves the purpose of sleeping and lounging, and that is this. As you can see, this is a single bed, but we have got two single beds and we have kept one on the above. So what happens is that it gives us nice height to sit, a nice seating area as well, like 2-3 people can easily sit here. And I have kept nice cushions so that it gives nice backrest also when I am sitting. And at the night, we can just pull it out and sleep. So it's a 2-in-1 multi-purpose thing. And just to give a cohesiveness for this entire space, I have put a low hulls rug. It is a jute rug, and it was made in India, and that's something which I really felt homely. Especially when we are living in UAE, we always crave for some Indian elements. And the moment I saw this rug, I was like, I want this. So this is one of an expensive purchase, but it's totally worth it. It just brings a nice homely feeling to this home. Coming on to the next furniture, as you can see, I wanted a small space for as a bedside table. So I had this in my kitchen already, so I got it here. It's a nice cane 3-tiered stand. So I use it for my plants because it is direct sunlight coming from here, and I also have my current books which I read and my planner. So first thing in the morning, these are the things which I do. And then there is this table. It serves as a coffee table. In the corner, I have set up a small dressing table situation. So as you can see, there is an IKEA mirror and then a small dressing unit. So in this I don't have lot of makeup and other elements, but still I have kept it relatively filled. And then this is another seating arrangement which is 2-in-1 multi-purpose. You can sit here as well as it's an ottoman. And I have lot of storage things here like iron box, straighteners, multi-pins, plugs and everything. And I have lot of plants in my home, so I wanted this hanging money plant. Money plant is one of my favorite plants because it's a creeper and it's really look beautiful. So I have attached 2 wall shelves here in zigzag manner, and there are few storage things which I have already had it in my home. So each and every boxes are dedicated. One box is for medicine, this box is for all the extra electronics, and this is the box where we keep all of our charger cables and everything. So it is easy to grab and attach for the charging port here. And then I have my favorite money plant, so this is the wall shelf. Coming to my favorite place in this apartment is this working desk. So this is an IKEA 200 by 60 working desk. It's wide enough, and me and my husband work here for editing. This is my editing area and that is his working space. I have put this overlooking the window. It's right now afternoon, so strong sunlight comes because it's the best facing window. So it's very beautiful. I can see almost all of my Abu Dhabi famous skyline. So I have got myself a little bit of high desk for my editing purposes, so that when I'm sitting down it is in my eye level. And I have got 2 chairs. It's a matching chair, but not at all comfortable for editing. So probably I'll get a nicer one for editing. Now since we do not have much of a space on the ground, because I want to walk throughout the day or night, want to have that flexibility. So we decided we are not going to get any TV unit. Instead we mounted the TV on the wall itself. And this is my space. This is the area where I keep all of my favorite books. So in this part, I would not call myself as a minimalist at all, because I love hoarding books, because I love reading them. I spend at least 1 to 2 hours reading every day. So these are the favorite books. I might try to declutter it very soon, and then we have a small mandir here and some plants. So I think that's pretty much in the living room. We have a working area, we have a lounge area, and again we have some small working setup. So this is the living room. Now let's go to our kitchen. And this is our inbuilt wardrobe which had come with this apartment. So one side is Vishal's and this side is mine. Yes, you will now understand that we don't have a lot of clothes. On top of that, we have our extra beddings, bed sheets and things like that. Here we have a small laundry basket which is very convenient and I love it. We have got it from IKEA. I love the material of this. So even if you're putting semi-wet clothes, it dries up in this. Now let's get on to our kitchen, which is another favorite part of this home. When we were looking out for studio apartments in Abu Dhabi, the options which we got was extremely having small kitchens, and somewhere down the line I was not happy with those kind of kitchens, and this is the only apartment where we could see a studio with a good kitchen. So here we have all the facilities, starting with the refrigerator. I have put some again sticky notes here and there. This is my weekly plan and things to buy, and I have put the microwave here. The reason, I know this can be quite dangerous, but then we don't use microwave at all other than heating for a minute. If you are somebody who are going to bake for 30 minutes and 45 minutes, then I think this will heat up really quick and it's not ideal to keep it over the refrigerator. And here we have certain medicines, and as I mentioned, here in UAE we get our filtered water delivered to us. So we have got warm and cold water filters, and Here I have a nice working slab, and that is the reason I love this kitchen. And I have put comparatively the space a little empty. So this is one of the atta maker which I use at least once a week. Then this is food processor, magic bullet, and some tea and snack boxes, and this is the item which I use every day. So you can see I have given a dedicated space to everything like oil, salt, pepper, and this is the regular common salt, and this is the this is a typical Indian utensil, and this is a small dish rack. The kitchen sink is comparatively bigger if you see other apartments in Abu Dhabi. Most of the kitchen in Abu Dhabi doesn't come with cooking range, so we got ourselves 4-burner cooking range, and this is an electronic chimney, and this was already built. Another thing about this kitchen is that we have lots of cabinet spaces. I'm not going to get into detail of all these cabinet spaces, even though it's not that cluttered. It's a typical Indian cabinets where I have my dal and other things, so nothing fancy. So I have a lot of cabinet spaces, but there is something which I use on a regular day, that is potatoes and onions. This is something which I got from IKEA. These are net bags, and this looks extremely beautiful. As you know, kitchen is one space where as a woman I spend a lot of time, so I wanted the space to be cute also at the same time. And this is a stand from IKEA where I put all of my fruits and daily items like breakfast items and teas. This is another cute little table from IKEA, and the stool from this, because most of the times I am unable to reach the top part of the cabinet, so I use it. And otherwise also when some things are cooking and I have to wait, I just grab my book and I sit down and read. I think it's a nice idea to put a small table and a chair in the kitchen as well, because most of the time you're standing, so if you want to cut vegetables or if you want to just sip on tea, you can do it in your kitchen itself without worrying about getting your food burnt or something like that. And the last thing in the kitchen is we have a dedicated space for washing machine also. Now since we live in a small apartment, we have to use every nook and corner. So in the wall we have put a hook rail from IKEA where I can put my bag, my go-to bags and things like that. This is where we keep our bags. I hope you liked our home tour in my studio apartment in Abu Dhabi. This is somewhere the same kind of dimensions which you will get if you are looking for a studio in Abu Dhabi. And we are going to shift. We have been living here for almost 4 years now, and we are going to shift to a 1 BHK, that is 1-bedroom hall kitchen. And I hope this is the beginning. This is the first video you're gonna see in my channel, and I hope if you like the video, do subscribe and like my channel, and see you around. Stay connected with me. I'll be sharing with you more lifestyle related videos. My name is Ashwati Vishal, signing off. Thank you. Bye bye.